I've always been fascinated by flight, how we defy gravity, from backyard rockets to real spacecraft. For decades, flight hasn't changed much: bigger planes, faster jets, but the basics stayed the same. That's about to change. We're at the dawn of a new golden age of aviation, and it's more Jetsons than Wright brothers. Imagine skipping traffic in a personal flying machine or booking a trip to the edge of space. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Engineers worldwide are building real, working prototypes that are quieter, cleaner, and smarter than ever. Today we'll dive into the top 10 flying machines changing the world, breaking down their science, design, and real-world impact. Buckle up, this is your front row seat to the future of transportation. Number 10 is the Arc Aerosystems Linx P9, a true hybrid that solves the classic helicopter versus airplane dilemma. Helicopters can land anywhere but aren't efficient for long distances. Airplanes are fast but need runways. The Linx P9 takes off vertically like a helicopter, then transitions to efficient forward flight using its wings. This design boosts speed and range, making it far more efficient than traditional choppers. It's also a hybrid electric vehicle, combining sustainable fuel and electric motors for quieter, cleaner operation. With room for 9 passengers, it's perfect for connecting small towns to big cities. No new airports needed. Think corporate travel, air taxis, or rapid medical evacuations. The Linx P9 blends proven tech in a smarter way, bridging the gap between helicopters and planes. It's practical, flexible, and environmentally friendly. Instead of reinventing the wheel, it combines the best of both worlds. This is innovative engineering making regional air travel more accessible. The Linx P9 is a fantastic start to our countdown. It's a glimpse of how smart design can reshape how we move. Let's see what's next. At number 9, we go from practical to personal, the Gravity Jet Suit. This is wearable Flight 5 miniature jet engines strapped to your arms and back, giving you over 1,000 horsepower. You control direction by moving your arms, making flight intuitive but physically demanding. Richard Browning, the inventor, has flown over lakes, beaches, and even set speed records. But it's not just for thrill seekers. Emergency services and militaries are testing it for rapid response in tough terrain. Imagine a paramedic flying up a mountain in minutes, or a soldier boarding a ship from the sea. The UK's Great North Air Ambulance and Royal Marines have already run real-world tests. The Gravity Jet Suit redefines personal mobility, turning sci-fi into reality. It's loud, intense, and absolutely awesome. While we're not commuting in jet suits yet, it proves personal flight is possible. It's a wild frontier, human flight reimagined. The Gravity Jet Suit earns its spot for pushing the limits of what's possible. Let's keep flying. Number 8 is the EOS-X Spaceship, a calm, balloon-powered ride to the edge of space. Forget rocket launches, this is space tourism for everyone. A giant helium balloon lifts a pressurized capsule gently into the stratosphere, no G-forces, just a peaceful ascent. Passengers reach 40 kilometers up, seeing the Earth's curve and the blackness of space. Huge panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, and you can float in near zero gravity. It's about the journey, not just the destination, creating the overview effect astronauts describe. The capsule is luxurious, more lounge than spacecraft. After hours at altitude, a parafoil guides you to a gentle landing. Near-zero emissions make it sustainable. EOS-X makes space accessible, comfortable, and transformative. Sometimes the quietest journeys are the most profound. Number 7 is the Stellar Jet, bringing back supersonic passenger travel, but with a modern twist. Its sleek delta wing design is built for speed. New York to London in 3 hours, Louisiana to Tokyo in under 6. The challenge? Sonic booms and fuel efficiency. Stellar Jet uses low-boom tech to soften the shockwave, aiming for overland supersonic flight. Next-gen engines promise more power with less noise and emissions. It's luxury and speed for business travelers and the ultra-wealthy. While a niche market, its innovations will trickle down to mainstream aviation. The Stellar Jet shrinks the world, making global connections faster than ever. It's a bold vision for the future of flight. Supersonic travel is coming back, smarter and cleaner. And number 6 is Node Air, the modular autonomous eVTOL built for smart cities. Think of it as flying Legos, a core propulsion unit with swappable pods for passengers, cargo, or emergencies. Fully electric and zero emission, it's designed for dense urban environments. Node Air's AI navigation links to a citywide air traffic grid, no pilot needed. Its modularity means one fleet can handle taxis, deliveries, and rescue missions, all in a day. Morning rush, passenger pods; midday, cargo; night, emergency response. This adaptability makes urban air mobility efficient and cost-effective. Node Air isn't just a flying car, it's a smart, integrated transport network. It tackles congestion, pollution, and emergency response with one system. The focus is on building an ecosystem, not just a vehicle. Node Air is a blueprint for the future smart city. It's a truly smart design for a smarter future. Let's see how personal flight gets even more accessible. Number 5 is the Lift Hexa, a giant human-sized drone you can fly yourself. Classified as a powered ultralight, you don't need a pilot's license in the US. 18 rotors provide lift and redundancy, safe even if several fail. Flying is simple. A joystick and flight computer handle stability and safety. Built-in geofencing and auto-landing make it nearly foolproof. It's about the experience, not just transportation. Lift's business model: pay-to-fly venues like go-kart tracks in the sky. It's a fun, safe way to introduce the public to personal flight. The Hexa breaks down barriers, psychological and regulatory. It's paving the way for urban air mobility to become mainstream. The future of personal flight starts here. Number 4 is the SR Series G7 from Cirrus Aircraft, a leap forward in personal aviation. Cirrus is known for safety, but the G7 is a ground-up reimagining. The cockpit is all touchscreens and advanced avionics like a spaceship's command center. Hybrid propulsion combines combustion and electric power for efficiency, quiet, and backup safety. The cabin is spacious and luxurious, making flying enjoyable for pilots and passengers. It's about freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. The G7 shows how traditional personal aircraft are evolving safer, smarter, and more sustainable. For private pilots, it's the future of having your own wings. Let's see what happens when cars really take flight. Number 3 is the Klein Vision AirCar, the real flying car. Drive it on the road, then transform it into a plane in under 3 minutes. Certified test flights and a certificate of airworthiness prove it's not just a concept. On the road, it's a sports car. At the airfield, it's a propeller-driven aircraft. This dual mode solves the last-mile problem. Land, fold the wings, and drive away. Powered by a BMW engine, it runs on regular gas and has a 1,000 kilometers range. It's a monumental engineering achievement, blending road and sky. The AirCar is the most advanced realization of the flying car dream. It could fundamentally change personal travel. The future is finally here. Number 2 is the Gove AirJet, a personal VTOL for the megacity of tomorrow. Minimalist, electric, and fully autonomous, it's designed for short city hops. Just tell it where to go. AI navigation does the rest. Summon it to a rooftop skyport, hop in, and fly above traffic in minutes. It's not a car replacement, but a new layer of urban transport. Backed by Guangzhou Automobile Group, it's built for mass production and affordability. Car companies are becoming mobility companies, looking to the skies. The AirJet is a polished, integrated vision of urban air mobility. It's seamless, smart, and part of a larger city network. This is how we'll get around in the cities of the future. Number 1 is the Vertical Aerospace VX4, the commercial eVTOL set to transform urban transport. Piloted, zero emission, and designed for air taxi service, it carries 4 passengers and meets strict safety standards. 8 rotors, 4 tilt for takeoff, 4 fold away for cruise make it efficient and quiet. Over 100-mile range and 200 miles per hour speed, perfect for city and regional hops. Partnerships with Rolls-Royce, Honeywell, and Microsoft, plus pre-orders from major airlines, show it's ready for scale. The VX4 isn't just a prototype, it's a business with real operators and real routes. It's the tipping point for urban air mobility, moving from sci-fi to reality. Quiet, efficient, and scalable, it could replace helicopters and reshape city travel. The VX4 is the culmination of all these innovations. It's practical, world-changing, and ready for takeoff. That's why it's number 1. There you have it, 10 machines redefining flight. From jet suits to air taxis, the future of aviation is smarter, cleaner, and more accessible. These innovations tackle traffic, pollution, and distance with bold ideas. We're entering an era where the sky is a 3-dimensional highway for everyone. Which machine excites you most? Would you try the EOS-X or the Lift Hexa? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.